Now we shall continue with the page number 22, shapes chapter. First one is square, rectangle, triangle, circle. Now we'll recognize in this picture how many shapes, square, rectangle, circle are there. Okay, you join the dots afterwards and make it as a homework. Okay, now how many square are there? 1, 2 squares. Rectangle, 1, 2, 3, 4 rectangle. How many triangle? Only 1 triangle. And here how many circle? Only 1 circle. Okay, move to the next page. Draw a picture in the square given below using the following shapes only once. Each shape has to be used only once. Try to draw a picture, children, with using these shapes only once. And here I have drawn for you by using the same shapes twice. They have to draw a picture of your own. This is I have used 2 circles, 2 squares, 2 rectangles and 2 triangles also. Okay, triangle is also used twice. These are some examples. You can even try drawing more pictures using this square, circle, triangle, rectangle. Okay, now next page we are going to join the dots. Here we have dots. We have to join the dots and make a picture and write the name. It is an example given here. Now we are going to join these 4 dots and recognize the picture. That is this shape is rectangle and this one is triangle. After joining these 3 dots we'll get triangle, and this is a circle. Write it clearly, circle. Okay, next here we have a coloring activity, that is color the picture as directed. Square with the yellow color, rectangle with the green color and red with the circle with the red color and triangle with black color. These are all triangles to be colored as black and squares with yellow and rectangle with the green. Okay, now see how many rectangles are there? Only 1. Number of squares: 1, 2, 3, 4 squares. Number of triangles: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Number of circles: these 2 are circles. Okay, don't forget to color this picture. Color it neatly, very beautifully. Next page. Okay, learn more about the shapes. See, they have written some thing about the square. A square has 4 sides. All 4 sides of a square are equal. These all 4 sides of the square are equal. Rectangle. A rectangle has 4 sides. Opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. Opposite sides of rectangle are equal. This also has 4 sides. Square also has 4 sides. In square we have all the 4 sides equal, whereas in rectangle we have opposite sides equal. Triangle. A triangle has 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. All the 3 lines are straight lines. Okay, then circle. A circle is a shape bounded by a curve. No straight lines. All are curves. Okay, now next one. Give few examples of objects which are similar to the following shapes: square, book, we can even write LCD TV, triangle, signal board beside a road, and we can even tell a pizza is also triangle. When we'll cut, it will be circle, wall clock, bangle, handkerchief, and a bread. Here 3-dimensional shapes. This is a cuboid, sphere shape, cone shape. We have many 3-dimensional shapes and know their names. Objects, see, this is a cuboid which is having opposite sides equal, is called cuboid. Next, this is a box, all sides are equal, is called cube. Cylinder, which is a round shape, and these two are cone, and this is a sphere. Circle, these are 3-dimensional shapes, whereas these 4 are 2-dimensional shapes. We call it 3-dimensional shapes. Match the objects to the shape they resemble as shown in the example. Okay, here one picture is there which will match to the cylinder, and this will match to rectangle. And this will match to cone, and this sphere, this is to the sphere, and this is to cube. We have a playing this, everyone will play with this, no? Match to the cube. Okay, next one. Here are some activities you can try by reading those activities. Okay, children. What is the shape? Guess. The teacher keeps a few objects like marble, book, pencil, box, rubber, pencil, pipe, carrot, ball in a cardboard box and place it on the table. One of the students is asked to close his eyes and pick out the objects from the box. Feel it and then mention the solid it resembles. If the answer is correct, let the other children encourage him by clapping their hands. Next, another student. This you can try with your parents' children and do it if it is possible. Okay, and here we have edges. These corner edges are called, these corners of the table are called edges. Okay, now some questions are there. We can see edges and corners. Chotu and 5 of his friends are playing a game. Ammu has tried to tied a cloth to her eyes and clapping her hands. Others are moving around the table. Ammu stops clapping. Immediately all of them stand, wherever they are. Those who are all away from the corners have to leave the game. Other to continue. Observe the picture given above and find who has to leave the game. Okay. Okay. Who are standing at the corners of the table? Where is Madhu standing? Here in this, Ammu, Tinku, Appu, Chotu, Chinnu. Madhu is not near the corners. All others are near the corners. This is a game, children. You can even try this also. Okay. Now, more of the objects around us have straight edges. These are the edges, children. Corners of a box are called edges. And this is also edge. We call corner. This is corner and this line is called edge. And this line is called edge. And this tip is called corner. Some objects have curved edges. This wheel of your cycle is also called curved edge. And you have a finger ring. For example, this one we have, this is called curved edges. We can call it as a curved edge. Okay, this is also a curved edge. Now name any 5 objects around you which have straight edges. See, this part you have to solve, children, because around me I have some objects, some other objects, and around you the different child will be having a different things around yourselves. So try to solve this with the help of your parents. Name any 5 objects around you which have straight edges. List any 5 objects which has curved edges. Do objects have straight edges? Have corners? Do objects have curved edges? Have corners? About these you can solve. And this is a